The key changes in the EU Battery Directive is really pertaining to labeling requirements. And the way this is going to affect manufacturers is they're going to be required to disclose more information to the companies who are packaging and shipping their products. One of the main ones is going to be whatever the capacity of each individual cell or battery is. That's going to need to be on there, as well as any heavy metals that are used. So they're going to have to disclose some of their secret sauce chemical formulas especially if they're using heavy metals like excess quantities of cadmium or lead. And non-rechargeable batteries will need to be labeled as such and what the duration of their operation is. So from a manufacturing standpoint, they're going to have to give away a little bit of proprietary information so that shippers and packaging companies are able to safely handle and transport their batteries. The directive will influence compliance, labeling, and traceability obligations by requiring everybody from the manufacturer to essentially the last person that ships it to the end item user to ensure that all labeling is there, that every person along every step of the way can be sure that they are handling this safely to the next person in the chain of custody. Challenges and opportunities that are going to be presented with this directive for battery manufacturers operating or exporting to the European market, it's going to mainly fall on challenges for the battery manufacturer to be able to keep their information proprietary while still sharing enough of that to shipping and transportation companies and packaging manufacturers to be able to properly label these. But the opportunities are going to come for the shippers and the packaging manufacturers, because it can be the first one to say that they're compliant, having cookie cutter labels ready to go, that all they need are some MNDAs with battery OEM manufacturers to say, this is what we've got and we could ship this immediately, so that they're compliant without having to wait to distribute their products.